How to cancel follow request on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Instagram application. Then, what you will have to do is search for the person that you followed and want to cancel the follow request. But if you do not know that person or do not know all the list of the person, what you will have to do is simply go to your profile icon, then tap on the menu bar from your top right. Now scroll down and then go to account center. After that, scroll down and then go to your information and permissions. Go to download your information. Simply download your recent activity, and then after that you will be able to find whom you sent follow request, and from that you will be able to unsend them as well. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.